Hello friends. In this video of today we will tell you that if you are a new trader in crypto, then what must be taken care of so that you do not suffer and you can gain a good profit annually. Then start the video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel before, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you will receive more videos in a timely and easy way. Look at the crypto market. If you see it as a business, then you will be able to gain a good profit from this market, but some new readers who think of getting rich overnight in the crypto market will have to bear most of the losses. So, the first thing you have to take care of is that whenever you want to enter the crypto market, you have to think of it as a business and you have to make an annual investment of 5 times that you have to think of gaining profit from 5 times to 10 times. You don't think of becoming a multi-billionaire in a year. See, if you are a new trader, then you have riskier tokens in the crypto market, which are mostly new tokens and also tokens with smaller market cap, and they are on 1 or 2 or 10, 12 small exchanges. They are listed and their supply is very high, i.e. in billions, so you have to stay away from tokens like them. And whenever you list any new token in the market, i.e. any new crypto market, if it happens, you should not buy it as soon as it is listed. You should do a complete research about its price first. Buy because there are thousands of tokens listed in the crypto market every day, and if there are 10,000 tokens listed in the crypto market, there will be one token out of these 20,000 that can give you profit. Talking about tokens, i.e. new cryptos, you should not rush to invest in them whenever there are new tokens, and you should keep your greed under control. You will be able to gain good profit from the crypto market. See, whenever any new trader comes in, as soon as a new token is listed in the market, he buys the same token first, because of which later when the price of this token decreases, a new trader gets his money stuck in that token. So as soon as his money gets stuck in that token, then later he keeps on betting that thing. When the market comes back above the same price when he bought this token, he sells out the token and withdraws his investment. That is, his own investment is completed in the same cycle in the price of this token. Value gets very low and there comes a time when that token goes bankrupt or it's a mean fake project and exchanges slowly delist it, causing new traders who happen to have it. This means that the tokens that he invests in are all gone. So you must take care that any new token that you have invested in will be a fake project that has full information about it in the market. If there is not a lot of supply and it will be listed on lesser exchanges, then you should not buy such token at all, i.e. such crypto at all. Above number 2, you should avoid making the mistake that most new traders make, which is that they keep all their investments on only one exchange. It has to be placed on top of the 3 exchanges, which means the major exchanges. The main reason being that if an exchange can go bankrupt in the future, because this crypto market is a very risky market, you have to be risk averse. To be prepared, you have to select 3 exchanges and keep your investment in them alone, and you have to divide your investment on these 3 exchanges so that even if an exchange goes bankrupt, don't lose all your investment and you can cover your lost investment with your remaining investment. As you may have heard that FTX exchange went bankrupt about 2 years ago. All the people's money was stuck in it. They were mostly the money of the new traders or the money of people who had little investment or the investment of people who had lost all their investment in FTX exchange only. As I said, you have to take care of these things. SDT is also such 3 tokens to be selected, and in these 3 tokens you have to keep your investment equally with which you can buy other tokens. And one thing you must take care of is if you mean any also, if you buy crypto, you should not invest all your money in one crypto. You should select 15 to 20 strong cryptos, that is, strong crypto tokens, whose ranking is at least top 50 or top 100. If you trade in these tokens, you should never trade in low-ranking tokens, because if you trade in low-ranking tokens, the risk factor for you becomes high. You have to look at this market as a business, not as a gambling. In this way you will be able to profit from this market in a better way, and you will be able to get 5 times to 10 times profit annually. Above number 3, you must take care of one thing, that whenever you want to buy any crypto, you should buy this token in 3 or at least 3 or 5 steps, because if you only buy one, if you will buy this crypto in the same step, then maybe its price will increase a little. Even if your investment gets stuck in stocks for some time, if you follow a 3-step or 5-step trading strategy, your trades will continue to run and your money will remain. There is money, they are not stuck in cryptos. Besides, if you trade in strong projects, you have more chances of profit. And always, whenever you trade in any crypto, you first trade in that crypto. You have to do a complete research about it, Twitter, i.e. following on X, etc. Tweets, etc. You have to keep complete information about the trends, and you have to keep watching the news related to the crypto market so that you can get in and out of the crypto market, can benefit from the strategy. Above number 4, you have to take care of one thing. If you are a new trader, then you should not do future trade at all, because the risk factor in future trade becomes very high, due to which you can lose much more. Chances are, if you are a complete new trader, then you only have to prepare the pot, and besides, you have to take care of one thing, that if you invest in any crypto for long term, so if you are thinking of buying and holding, then you must keep in mind that you should never buy cryptos for a long period of time in a bull run. The right time to buy is when there is a bear market, while the market has a lot of panning spread and the price of cryptos has a lot of decline. You can keep them for a long period of time, i.e. 1 to 2 years, then as soon as the market returns, i.e. the bull runs, then these tokens will increase from 5 times to 10 times. As you have just seen that about a year ago the price of Solana was around $11 to $12, and now its price is about $100, which is almost high of $200. If its price has returned, then you must take care of these things, that whenever you want to buy cryptos for a long period, you should buy them in bear market when there is a lot of panic in the market. So, at this time, the market of the crypto market has a bear run, that is, there is a bear market. It was seen up to $13,000, and now we are seeing its price more than $50,000, so you must take care of these things. And if you want more videos like this, to get timely and easy updates, first thing you have to do is subscribe to the channel and like the video. Also, you must share the video because it will encourage us, and we for you will keep making good videos timely and easily.